Hello and welcome to a new episode of Moneda Republic. Today I'd like to show you my new addition to my collection. I got the last release of the American the Beautiful quarter program. In today's video we feature the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve 2020 quarter 3-coin set. In fact, the set includes the Philadelphia Mint, the Denver Mint, and the proof quarter from the San Francisco Mint. But why did I get this set in particular? I think this one so far is the most beautiful one over all the 5 that have been released this year. I love the Fruit Bat one, the Samoa, and I like also the Salt River Bay. Probably that one is one of my other favorites. I look at the details all the time and I find them amazing. But also, I gotta tell you, the Tallgrass Prairie is probably one of my favorite quarter. They're being released this year 2020, okay, and this one is of course the last release. The other things you should know, that Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve is not only the 5th set to be released in 2020, is also the 55th overall in the American the Beautiful quarter program. So for the people that are not familiar with the American the Beautiful quarter program, it was launched in 2010 and the whole purpose is to represent the ultimate American road trip in quarter. The tales and the design of the quarters represent every landscape, monument, and national park. That's just a fantastic idea. This idea can inspire my dream one day to throw all these quarters in a bag and pick one destination out without knowing and just hit the road and don't look back. That will be a fantastic dream, and whatever monument, whatever landscape, whatever park, just go ahead and visit and spend some days over there and enjoy the trip. Let me know in the comment below if you would like to do something like that. Moneda Republic people, we got to the end of this episode. Remember to subscribe, like and share, and to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the new video and live stream. Until next time, ciao! Ciao.